Hi guys, so today I made a monkey bread in a mug. Let me go give you guys a sneak peek. Can you guys see that? That looks good. So I just made it in class today and that was my bad news. All my classes because I canceled it and that's sad. So let me just go give it a taste. I ate some today. Tastes like a monkey bread. That was my first time trying monkey bread. Are you guys wondering why my hair started in cute little buns? Because wacky hair day, that's what it's called. This little two buns for wacky hair day, like almost like ponytails, but they're in buns. So my mom did this morning, and I was nice of her. That video will be okay. My chips video will be up in 10 in the morning when I get up. So I will see you guys on October 13th. And make sure to subscribe, give it thumbs up, and comment down below. So I'll see you guys whenever I cook something. Bye!